Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Miss Alan Rufaida as a lecturer in the English for medical purpose and all of my beloved friends. Here I will present about five senses and organ. So let me introduce myself. My name is Adila Nazifa. I'm from class 1A dengan nomor induk mahasiswa tertera di PPT. Okay, let's start the presentation session. Um, Humans in general have five senses that are very functional in responding to stimuli. The five senses that function well will make it easier for our bodies to respond in accordance with the wishes or instinct. Maka dari itu, panca indera ini bisa dikatakan sebagai organ tubuh manusia yang dapat menghubungkan otak dengan anggota tubuh lainnya. Anggota tubuh manusia akan memberikan tanggapan sesuai dengan apa yang diperintahkan oleh otak. For the next, first, senses of sight, eyes. These eyes are on the part of the human face which is located below the forehead, and there is the right and left of the nose. These eyes are needed by humans in sending stimuli to be sent to the brain. The stimulus comes from what we see. The function of the eye, other than being used to see, is 1. Focus on an object, 2. Adjust the incoming light, 3. Can be used as a communication medium. A structure. 1. Sclera. The sclera is the part of the eye that covers the entire eyeball except for the cornea. This is sclera. 2. Choroid. The choroid is the middle layer of the eye that contains blood vessel. This is a choroid. 3. Retina. The retina is the part of the eye that is in the form of a layer and is very sensitive to light stimuli. This is retina. 4. Lens. It functions to focus light and objects on the retina. This is lens. 5. Iris and pupil. The function of the iris and pupil is to adjust the light and tiring the eye. This is iris and this is a pupil. 6. Cornea serves as the saver of the outermost part of the eye and as a doorway for the entry and exit of light coming from outside. This is cornea. The 7. Macula. The macula is the part of the eye in which the center of the eye is responsible for clearly vision. 2. Senses of hearing. Ear. The ear has a special ability to recognize various kinds of sounds, vibration, as well as maintain balance. The function of the ear, other than being used to hearing, is 1. Listen to the sound, 2. Balance, where sound changes can be handled properly, 3. A place to beautify yourself. The structure of the ear includes 1. Other ear, the part of the ear that serves to receive various kinds of sound vibration. 2. Middle ear, serves to transmit sound vibration from the outer ear to the inner ear. 3. Inner ear, the part in which there are many organs that can help the workings of the ear. 3. Senses of touch. Skin. Apart from being a touch tool, the skin also has other functions that can be useful for the human body. These functions are described below. 1. A place to sweat. 2. Fat storage area. 3. Body temperature regulator. The structure of the skin includes 1. Epidermis, 2. Dermis, and 3. Hypodermis. 4. Senses of smell or nose. The nose is located between the senses of sight or eyes. This one senses tool is especially important in smelling smells. Function of nose: one breathing apparatus to filter the air. The structure of nose: one inner cavity and two upper cavity. This is a structure of nose. 5. Senses of taste. Tongue. The tongue is an organ that has bones which only consist of a collection of muscles. These functions are described below as 1. As a taster, 2. Flipping food, 3. Letter saber. The structure of the tongue includes these special receptors are closely related to chemical stimuli. In this receptor, the surface is lined with a layer of epithelium, and inside the special receptor are mucous glands and taste buds. This is a structure of tongue. And this is a finished presentation. I will to apologize if there is a mistake. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.